One, face each other. Step two, look into each other's eyes. Step three, say what you want to say in Tagalog.
Shit, one ko.
Step four, ilabas niyo mo.
Huwag mo nang isipin, sabihin mo na agad.
Huwag na makaltalin.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Dali na, di
Gusto
malulungkot.
kong magpasalamat sa'yo.
Kasi,
Nandyan ka lagi para sa akin.
so in English, you're always there for me.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Joshua, can you, when you message in for James na lang din, kumusta po na yung nyo? Like, how's the connection? Kasi nga, wala naman kayong project together, but open ba yung communication lines, no?
Meron namang wifi.
Nagkakausap pa kayo like Skype, Facebook,
Something like that.
Ooh! Wow! Bakit ba kausap? You are not, so okay naman. So any na lang, what can you say with what James has said? Last last question. Question ba yun?
Tagalog din? Or Aussie?
Sige, Tagalog din, tapos hindi natin kung maintindihan yan.
Okay.
Okay, James you should try to understand what Joshua will tell you in Tagalog. Go.
Okay lang yun, basta magpakabait ka lang.
I'll give you a back here. Thank you so much, James and Tasha.